Imagine getting tons of traffic from YouTube without having a website, without a camera or showing your face. I will show you how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube so that you can actually make money. There are 4 steps you need to follow. I'm going to give you websites that you must use so that you can do affiliate marketing with YouTube the right way and make money. This actually worked for me. Here you see results. Earnings dashboard from doing affiliate marketing with Digistore. Let me refresh this page in case you don't believe me. I have added my website promoteYouTubeVideos.com as a watermark because some people take these videos and re-upload it to their own channel. I will show you the exact transactions that made this money, but first let me go through what you see in this dashboard. Here you see the vendors of the product that got sales and the actual products that made money, the cancellation rate and so on. If we go to reports, here you see 9,489 and 32 cents, which is the total earnings if you remember from the dashboard. And you see the detailed transactions, each and every transaction that adds up to the total. I'm not showing this to brag, but to show you this training on YouTube affiliate marketing for beginners is from someone with knowledge on how to get sales with affiliate marketing. Do you also want to make money like this with YouTube affiliate marketing? Then give this video a like and let's get started with the first step. I'm going to choose Digistore affiliate products, but you can apply this method with any affiliate product. I created a video before on how to create an account on Digistore, the marketplace, and the numbers you see here. If you didn't watch that video before, I will leave the link in the description. Watch that video and create a free account. The first step is to get the affiliate link of the product that you want to promote with YouTube affiliate marketing. When selecting a product, there are 2 things you need to look for. The first one is that the product must have a high cart conversion rate, which is the number of people that actually buy after visiting the sales page. The second one is a low cancellation rate. Most of these products offer a money back guarantee. So they will buy, but after some time, they will ask for a refund. I generally look for a cart conversion higher than 15% and a cancellation rate lower than 6%. That's why I chose this product. Remember these earnings at the start of the video? Here you see the cancellation rate, which is actually lower than 6%. Even though I picked this product, you can pick any product as long as they meet the 2 requirements. If you like me to create a video showing you a different product, comment below YouTube affiliate marketing. If I get at least 20 comments, I will create another video with a different product. Click on the Promote Now button and copy the link. Next, go to bit.ly and get a shortened link. This is the link that you're going to use to promote with YouTube videos. Moving on to step 2, go to keywordtools.io. This is a free website. Now, this is important to get targeted free traffic from YouTube so that you can do affiliate marketing on YouTube. What you need to do is type in the product name under the YouTube tab and set the country to United States. Then you will get loads of keyword ideas, and for some keywords you get data on volume with the free version. Then select some keywords and you can also download this as an Excel if you want. Before you move on to step 3, I want to remind you, if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. I upload videos every Saturday to help you grow your audience and income with video. So moving on to step 3, go to tubebuddy.com/try trial and install this plugin. It is one of the best ways I found to determine how hard a keyword is to rank. The link is in the description. Once you install that, go to YouTube. On the top right, you will see a button like this. Click that and go to Keyword Explorer. Paste the keyword that you got from step 2 and click Explore. What you should look for is high search volume and low competition. If that is good, it will indicate an overall high score saying whether it's good or very good. Now this is important. If you don't get this right, you won't get any views to your YouTube video. What you see here is the unweighted score. This is not specific to your channel. you need to look at the weighted score, which takes into consideration your channel size and average views per video. The weighted score will give you the most accurate prediction for your channel specifically. To get the weighted score, you need to upgrade your account. If you are really serious about affiliate marketing on YouTube, I recommend getting this package. You can get it for around just $3. This is a small amount if you are able to generate affiliate commissions through the videos that you create. Here you see that even though in generally this is very good, when it comes to my channel, this keyword isn't that good. So if I made a video thinking it was good, I would hardly get any views. And if there are no views, there won't be any money as well. So you need to find a keyword that has a high score, ideally over 60 for weighted. So keep adding all keywords and note down the ones that you have a high weighted score on. Make sure that you have at least 5 keywords, and let's move on to the next step, which is creating the video. Stick with me. You don't need to get in front of the camera. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. You can use a tool like this. I will leave the link in the description below. With that link, you can start a free trial and try this out. You simply need to paste text related to your affiliate product here. Don't worry, you don't need to write it from scratch. Each product has an affiliate support page where they have email swipes. You can use those to get inspiration. Then this tool will generate a video for you. If you want, you can use your voice or the built-in voice. I created a detailed video showing this step by step on how to use this and create videos, so I won't go into that in this video. For every keyword that you got from step 3, make a video. Remember, just one video will not get any views, and it will take at least 1 or 2 weeks before you see results, because now you're relying on traffic that comes from YouTube search. Once you have the keyword and the video, upload this to YouTube. Again, I covered this in a video previously, so watch that if you want detailed steps. Next, you need to include the affiliate link which people will click and buy. Watch this video next on how to add affiliate links to YouTube videos.